This is what they are preparing.
8475 85 9100.
Thank you, you as well. Appreciate you. Great. That's supposed to look like they're dry.
That's right.
Robert in a red shirt behind you.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you.
Oh. Hey, thank you. I didn't know you paid for this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you.
Hey. Oh. We don't need to put it on. I don't guess.
You record me.
We put it on soon. Here, I'll hold that. I'll hold it. You guys get yours on.
Huh?
I got it. You get yours on.
Okay.
Guys, just head all the way down, please. Yeah, I mean, Justin, right there.
We'll wait on Robert. Might want to put your glasses in there too.
Kennedy, Mark. Bye.
Nagondwa.
So,
Wajikoze ng'eriko.
let's put the phone and her glasses in that bag.
Yeah, we are going to do that. Genda tambula ogende.
Kwako.
Tambula ogende naawe.
A minute, I don't know if
This is the boat we are going to cruise on. That one has gone. That is the boat. Kale nange katwala.
Teekako gwe ekyokumutwe.
Speak. Here.
Can I have you guys just move around and go all the way down this right railing, please?
Yep. Hey. Whoa, those are the falls there. Where we came from, up there. Imagine, up there. Makenidi akakajambo. Yes. Now the American side is blue. The Canadian side is red. So which is the Canadian side? The Canadian side is there. Across the river. Just there.
You guys stand up here.
From all the way down the Niagara Falls, there at the bottom there, that's where we are coming from. That is the Canadian side. And now us we are Americans, we are this side. Americans blue, Canadians red. So cool.